Custom T-Bird by the renowned Chip Foose, fully updated suspension,
55.
race engine, and drivetrain.
Foose design.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's number 714. Custom Foose wheels.
They look great. Now are those white balls on the tires? $50 grand coming out. 50. Yes, sir. 60. 50. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. Now 55. Now new 60. 55. Here 60. Here now 55. Now 60. 55. Here now 57. 5. Now new. Now here it's here 60. Here now 60. 60. 60. Yes, sir. 62. 5. 60. Here 62. 5. Here now 60. 62. 5. 62. 5. Here 62. Yes, sir. Now 65. 62. 5. Mid 65. 62. 5.
Of course, featured in the great TV show by my friend Chip Foose, of course, Overhaulin. This was an Overhaulin TV episode car. Come on up, take a look at it. Of course, Chip and his guys do a great job. A lot of nice little custom touches, but they're always really functional. They make sure that the cars run and drive as good as they look.
We need a consignor to come see Chip as soon as possible here and get 62.5 and Dan. We'll take 65. And I hear 65. And I hear 5, 62, 5, and I hear 65, and I hear just not here 65, and I hear 75, and I hear 67, 5, and I hear 65, and 67, 5, and I hear 67, 5, and I hear 67, 5, 67, 5, and I hear 65, and I hear 67, 5, and I hear 65, and I hear 67, 5, and I hear now take 66, please don't delay, and I hear 67, yes sir, now 67, and I hear 66 and 7, here I say yes sir, now 8, and I hear 68, and I hear 67, 68, and I hear 68, and I hear closing it. There's a Corvette.
All right, yes it is.